Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes packed with indicators and candlestick patterns built in. Just grab it using the link in the description below. Now let us get into this review, and I want to say up front that this one is a bit different from the usual EA review, so I'll walk through why. In this video, I am looking at fast trade. It is available for both MT4 and MT5, even though we are going to be discussing the MT5 version in this video. We can see that it is built by developer Alexei Valiv, priced at 50 US dollars to buy or 30 US dollars to rent for a year. It is on version 1.17, last updated back in November 2022. All right. So we can see furthermore that it is listed under the utilities category on MQL5 rather than under experts. And that distinction matters for everything that follows. So scrolling into the description, this is a trading panel that is designed for fast, manual, and semi-automated trading. It's not a fully autonomous strategy. Okay, it is built around order trailing stops and automatic closure by equity, profit, or time, along with hotkeys for quickly opening or closing positions. You just open the position yourself and the panel handles the maintenance side from there. Going through the features, it works on any account type or broker. It has a movable, intuitive interface that remembers its position and settings between restarts and uses minimal system resources. The hotkey system um, lets you assign your own shortcuts for opening or closing positions outside of whatever is already predefined in the terminal. All right, so here is the important part, and it is stated directly on the listing itself. There is a clear notice that the panel does not work in the strategy tester. Okay, it does not work in the strategy tester due to technical limitations, and that is a direct disclosure from the developer, not something that I am inferring. Okay, now I did still run this through the strategy tester myself, but before we head over there, let's just briefly look at the images displayed here, basically showing the fast trade uh tool active. All right, we can see that, when how it looks like on the chart. We can just see how it looks like on the chart alongside all those functions, right? All those functions. Okay, so like I said, I ran the tool through the strategy tester, and we can see that we can be able to see that the disclosure, is actually valid. We can see no backtest result, of course, because this is it's an utility that is quite different from the expert advisors. But let me turn on the visual so that we can still, see how the tool looks like in action. All right, how it looks like on the chart. Okay, so we can see here the fast trade panel. We have the open, the close, the set, del, and all of that, right? Okay, so basically what we can just see is how it looks like. Okay, because just like what the developer said, it won't work in the strategy tester, so it's just only to observe. All right, so basically this is for observation to see how it looks like, right? And all of that. Okay, so as I was saying, we didn't have any test results because basically there were no trades taken. So there were no test results, despite using an initial deposit and attempting to see how the EA will perform. sorry, attempting to see how the utility would perform. Okay, but it was to no avail. All right, so this isn't a performance issue or a red flag about the product's quality. It is the expected outcome. Okay, is the expected outcome for um a manual trading panel that explicitly does not function in an automated backtesting environment. So since this tool depends on someone manually opening trades and using the hotkeys in real time, the hotkeys or the panel controls in real time, there is no meaningful way to evaluate it through historical backtesting, the way that I would normally do with a fully automated expert advisor. All right. So you can see that everything here shows that we can't exactly backtest this tool, and since it is going for sale, we can't be able to test it in a real time market condition without first purchasing it, right? So we are sort of experiencing a limitation to properly review this utility. So who might this fast trade utility be suitable for? Based on what we have seen so far, right, this looks like a genuinely useful tool specifically for manual or automated traders who want faster execution, trailing management and hotkey control layered onto their own discretionary trading. Okay, so it's not for anyone looking for a hands-off, fully automated system. And as always, the best way to evaluate a tool like this is to try it directly on a demo account doing live manual trading, since a backtest simply is not available or applicable in this particular situation. All right, so if you found any value at all in this video, or if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. And if you are looking for reviews on expert advisor, there are quite a lot of them available on this channel. Feel free to go through your the reviews for your desired expert advisors, both those that are free and those that are for sale. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.